Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we finally found the Mini Brands Create. We actually took home a whole box and I'll be opening these at some point to see if there's any resin or if they're empty. But for now, let's open one of these and see what I got. This one feels really heavy. I know they come with UV little resin hats. So hold on. This is my first time opening one of these. I'm assuming this is the hat. I love that it comes with one of these, but then it also seems kind of wasteful because I bought 11 of these or however many, and I'm gonna get 11 UV lights. But still really cute. Yeah, it's branded with the little M for MasterChef. Okay, all right, let's see what we got. Oh,
I'm taking this.
Looks like, what is that supposed to be? Bread? Mini?
Get whatever those are.
Mini something. Maybe we have, ooh. A little dessert of some sort, maybe? I have not seen all the ones you can get.
Chocolate sprinkles.
Ooh, okay, cool. Chocolate sprinkles. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. There's like 10, not even maybe, 10 sprinkles in here? That's wild. Miniverse gives you a whole container. Okay, I won't judge right now. We'll hold our judgment. I'm assuming this goes like this. Probably. It's a little stand. Oh, that's cute. Okay, okay. What else do we have? We have, what is that supposed to be? Oh, mango and pineapple. So I wonder if it's going to be like a parfait type. That's kind of weird. That came in there. We have instructions with the hat, on and off button.
Oh, I can tell you what it is.
Oh, cool. Let's look at the checklist. So, it's gonna look like this. It's called a tropical fruit parfait. Shows you everything it comes with and then step by step. So you're gonna layer the pieces of cake, add in some fruit. It even tells you how many. 4 cake, 3 mango, 2 pineapple. You add 2/3 of the resin, cure it, add more resin, add more fruit and cake, and again tells you how many pieces. I like that. Okay, okay. And then we're gonna cure it.
You're going fancy.
Yeah, that's very fancy. Let's check out the rest.
This is better than Miniverse.
I don't know. We'll have to try making them first. Pork belly ramen, glazed lamb. Okay, super fancy. We have the tropical fruit parfait, stuffed pork loin and roast. We have a vegan chocolate mousse with raspberries and almond crumbs. The cherry chocolate cake, which we got on the box here. We got a freebie of that. Chocolate, I don't know how to say that word. Almond and apricot cheesecake, strawberry cake, some summer fruit tartlets, and yeah, super rare is the lattice top apple and cinnamon pie. So that is all 11. And like I said, I bought a bunch, but this is my first time building it. So let's clean up and get ready to put this one together and see how I feel about it. Okay, so looking over this, okay, I take back what I said about there being like 10 sprinkles in there because they tell you exactly how much to use. It comes out so you have no leftovers. So like maybe good because then it's not wasteful, but then people like to collect the extras. That way they can make their own versions or, you know, make other little creations afterwards. That kind of sucks that they don't do that, but I get it. It's less wasteful. So I have all 4 of the cake pieces. Now it says to add 3 of the mango and 2 of the pineapple. So there's 1, 2, 3, and then 2. Just throwing them everywhere. 2 of those, and then we're going to add 2/3 of the resin. I think I'm gonna kind of make sure I like how it looks before I add the resin. Where you can maybe see stuff. There we go. 2/3, so it looks like you just want it covering. Okay, other feedback, way easier to squeeze these in Miniverse. Miniverse has literally hurt my hand before, so I'm gonna let that run to the bottom. Okay, I kind of moved it around with a toothpick. It looks like there is supposed to be like air bubbles in there so that you can see what's in there. So, yeah. Now we're gonna go ahead and use our little chef light. We gotta switch it to on. Oh, it automatically turns on. I like that it could just sit there. You don't have to hold it. And we're gonna do that for 10 to 20 minutes, it says.
That's not
well, it says 2 different, oh, okay. 5 to 10 minutes with the hat, but if you're using sunlight, it says 10 to 20 minutes. So I like that they are thorough with their instructions. Okay, that cured very nicely, quickly. And now it says to add the rest of this, and then we're gonna start layering some stuff.
You tooted.
I hope it doesn't start sinking before I can cure it.
We'll just cure it out.
Ooh, it's getting harder to squeeze, like nothing's coming out. I guess really I should have put this upside down, like I do with the Miniverse. Act like I'm new here. So we'll give this a minute, and then we'll come back. I think I squeezed out all I could, so now we're gonna add the pineapples and the mangoes.
The rest.
Yep. I'm just letting them drop. They did include tweezers, and I feel like they're more flimsy than the Miniverse tweezers, but they are more grippy at the end, if that makes any sense. Okay, so then it says to add the little, I guess it's like a mint leaf, and then your literal 10 pieces of sprinkles. And then, gotta make sure those are touching the resin. And then we're gonna cure it again. All right, so here's the final product. Very easy to do. And yeah, the little chef hat does a good job at curing. Takes a little bit longer than one of these UV flashlights because these are a lot stronger, but the little chef hat I'm sure is probably safer for kids. It's probably a smaller dose of it or whatever, because you're not really supposed to stare at UV lights or anything, so I'm sure it's a safer version. But if you want to see me open the entire box, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.